Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your AirDrop not working on your iPhone. Well, there can be quite a few reasons for it. So first of all can be with your wireless connection like your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So you can now get to the settings, and from your settings you can tap on Wi-Fi right here. And currently it is turned on. Simply tap on it, turn it off for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you can tap on it and turn it on. And now go back and get to the Bluetooth. Then again, simply turn this off, wait for a few seconds, then tap on it and turn it on. After doing that, you can check whether your AirDrop is working or not. If it's still not working, then you can get to the screen time from here. You can see screen time, tap on it, and then tap on content and privacy restriction. Make sure that it is turned on just like this, and then you can tap on allowed apps and features. Then in here, you can see AirDrop is right here, which is enabled. If it is disabled in yours, you'll have to tap on it and enable this AirDrop. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then next thing that you're going to want to do is get to the settings and then general. So after tapping on general here, you'll have to tap on AirDrop, and in here you'll have to tap on everyone for 10 minutes. So after doing that, your AirDrop will be available for everyone for only 10 minutes. Now from here, you can check if your AirDrop is working or not. So if it's still not working, then you might want to check whether you are using any kind of VPN or have you changed any kind of DNS server on your phone. If you have done that, you'll need to turn these settings off. And finally, if it's still not working, then you can try to reset your network settings, for which get to the general again. And then from here, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings, and then you'll have to enter your phone's passcode just like this. And then finally tap on reset network settings, from which all of your network settings will reset to default. Then you might want to add down your Wi-Fi password or any other network settings. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then try to check if you have any kind of software update on your phone, for which again you can get to the general and then tap on software update. And just like that, you can check for any kind of update. Here you can see I have an update requirement. If you have that on your phone, you can tap on update now and follow along the process and then update your phone. And finally, if it's still not working, then you can try to first restart your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to click on your volume up button, volume down button, and then keep pressing on your power on button until you see a Apple logo, and then release the button, and within few minutes your phone will successfully be restarted. And that is it. These were some few ways that you can try to fix your AirDrop not working on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.